I'm so happy to see each and every one of your faces today. You make me feel so safe to have my dinos with me in the time of Corona. Now is the time to stay home. Can my dinos say it with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, stay home. And don't forget to practice social distancing. For now, let's start our new numbers worksheet. Remember below, in the Show More button, there's a link provided for you to print out and do the worksheet together. And if you can't print out the worksheet, don't worry. That's why we're here, to do the worksheet together. Okay, are my dinos ready? Let's do this. First, let's write our name. Today I chose brown to write my name. What color did you choose, my dinos? Oh, those are really great colors. I love how bright they are. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. It says, color the numbers that are similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the numbers that are similar. Today, the number we are coloring is 3. Are my dinos ready? Okay, let's do this. Is this a 3? Nope, that's a 9. Is this a 3, dinos? That's right, it's a 3. Grab any color crayon and color the 3. Great job, dinos. You just about got it. This 3 is a blue 3. I think my dinos are ready for more. Is this a 3? Nope, that's a 1. How about this one? Great job, dinos. Grab any color crayon and color the next 3. I chose purple for this 3. What color did you choose? Oh, I like that color a lot. Great job, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this a 3? Nope, that's a 1. How about this one? Good remembering, dinos. I'm impressed. For this 3, I'm going to color it a forest green. Okay, dinos, you're doing such a wonderful job. Let's keep going. Is this a 3? Nope, that's a 2. And this? Nope, that's a 1. Is this a 3? Good job. I could hear your brains working, dinos. I colored this one an orange 3. Okay, Mega Dinos, let's keep going. Is this a 3? No, that's a 5. And this one? Nope, that's a 2. And this one? No, that's a 5 again. How about this one? Nope, that's a 1. And this one? Great job, Dinos. You spotted the 3. Let's color in the 3. I'm coloring this one a hot pink. Great job, dinos. You're doing such a great job. I could tell you worked so hard on it. Okay, let's keep going. I know you got this. Is this a 3? Nope. Is this one a 3? Nope, that's a 2. Is this a 3? Great job, dinos. Thumbs up. Great job, dinos. I'm going to color this one an aqua 3. I just want to let you dinos know that we are doing such terrific teamwork together. Are you ready for the next one? Is this one a 3? Nope, that's a 6. And this one, dinos? Great job! You should be so proud of yourselves. Let's color in that 3. This 3 is a yellow 3. What color did you color? Oh, you're so creative when it comes to colors, my dinos. Okay, last number, dinos. Is this number a 3? Nope, that's a 2. Now it says, how many numbers did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many numbers did you color? Let's count, dinos. Today we're going to count the threes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. Let's count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 threes that we colored. Let's grab our crayon and write 7 because we colored 7 threes. Okay, last but not least, let's color the big 3. I'm choosing red. What color did you choose? Oh, that's one of the best colors in the crayon box. Did you know that my dinos are the most creative thinkers I've ever met? Yep, that's you. You should give yourself a round of applause. Whoa, check out all those 3 dinos. You guys are quite the superstars. I say superstar because of the way you helped each other. I can't wait to see all my dinos next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!